Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Sorry it started to rain. Jaguar XF 3 litre diesel S. So S-Pack 275 brake, V6 premium luxury 3 litre diesel automatic, 73,000 miles, 9 services, I believe all by Jaguar, and had the cam belt replaced by Jaguar at 69,000 miles. As I say, now done 73,000 miles. Got a black pack on this car too, very pretty, £10,495. So, mega service history, 73,000 miles, all Jaguar services, got the printout, including the cam belt being replaced by Jaguar. So black pack, black rear splitter, black flash across the boot, consider reverse camera there, rear park sensors, Calimos 20-inch, gloss black bolted alloy wheels, lovely. New discs on the back. Yeah, those black wheels, Calimos, they're lovely. Black flashes low down in the bumper, front park sensors, daytime running LED headlamps, and rear. It's super. What a nice car. Keyless entry, keyless start, piano black interior, electric multifunction seats. Now they are heated and chilled. So heated seats, air conditioned seats, electric seats, memory seats, sports seats, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, as I say, reverse camera, dynamic button, sports modes, very nice. Super clean, inside and out. Ignore my coat on the back seat, but it has been pouring with rain. Rear spoiler, got the S badge obviously because it is 275 brake S model. Lovely and clean in the boot. We'll have a space saver spare wheel as it's a 3 litre, yeah, jack, toolkit, brace, wheel locking key, it's all complete. £10,495. Black window frames because it's the black pack. Wheels are in good condition. That is a new, it has had new disc pads on the rear very recently, but I think it was last serviced. What's it done now? 73. It was last serviced at Jaguar at 69,000 miles, so 4,000 miles ago. Brilliant hi-fi, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, heated mirrors, multifunction steering wheel, 73,091 miles. All in very, very, very nice condition. Driver's seat's not worn at all tatty. Superb. I'll jump in and show you the reverse camera. Yeah, just pop it in reverse. There you go, nice clear reverse camera. Very, very nice car this. So, £10,495. 9 Jaguar services. I've listed them all in the advert, in the description. Lovely, lovely car. £10,495. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other Jaguar XFs in stock. We will have more. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with nearly 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 10 years. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh car into our stock list. You will be one of the first people in the country to know about it. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.